Okay, friend, my box has come, so let's cut it and let's do it unboxing. Okay, so inside this box, this two, and here is Note 20. I have got the case and screen protector as well. So let's do the unboxing to this Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Okay, so here is the directly the phone. Okay, it's a main phone, so it was all on top. And let's see what are other things inside this one. So this is just paper, and I think this cable charger. This is a super fast charger. Okay. What is here? Seems nothing. So it should have something, but it seems it has nothing. I don't know why this was kept. So essentially it has the only one phone and the just charger it comes with, and it is protected with this plastic cover from back and from the front. This here is a power button, there is a volume button, both are here, and there is a main charger, here is a pen. Okay, that's it, and here is a SIM tray. Thank you for watching.